RGV, with whom you gonna work?
So for me, actually, it doesn't depend on the director. Even if a big director comes with a small role for me, like only a heroine part is only in one song or two songs, I will not do it, even if it's a big director. So for me, it depends on my importance in the script and not in the director.
So
Wow.
there is one interesting question. I'll ask her in Telugu.
Okay.
సో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఆర్జీవి గారి గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. సో మీరు ఇప్పుడు పిక్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేశారు కదా, ఆర్జీవి మిమ్మల్ని ముద్దు పెట్టుకుంటున్నట్టు, కిసింగ్ పిక్చర్స్.
Okay, he kissed me on my
Yeah.
cheek. So I think that was with a lot of love, and we started the shoot of Thriller. To be very honest, till we did everything officially, like signing and doing the film. Till then, I did not believe that he will actually take me or not. To be very honest, yeah, because a lot of directors, they just say, "Okay, I'll take you," and they don't take. You know how it works for new actors. So when we actually started shooting that picture, I think the first day of my shoot, we were having dinner, and I think before dinner we were sitting and we were so happy, and I was like, "Sir, I want a selfie with you," and then we clicked, and he's like, "You're the most at recent times I'm like super happy with you and your performance." So he just hugged me and he kissed me, and I think that's a good picture, and it depends on how you see it. Yeah. It's see that picture, some people actually thought it's a bad picture, but I have such pictures with my dad also, with my brother also, or with my best friend or my mom. So I think that picture, how you see it matters. Yeah, because how much ever I explain, people might think bad, or so I would leave it on people. However you want to take it, you can take it.
So I'll give you 5 options again.
Yeah.
Fun round 3.
Wow.
So we'll talk about yourself only.
Okay.
So what you would like the most in yourself?
Okay.
First of all, eyes, smile, your structure, your dance, and your acting. You should pick up only one.
My dance.
Oh, you love your dance.
Yes, because this film also I got because of my dancing, and since I was 3 years old, very small, I used to dance on stage. The first performance I did from like 3 to 10 years old kid, there was a competition in Bangalore, and I won that.
Okay.
And I performed because my dad had a big chocolate in his hand, and he said, "When you go there and you dance well and you come back, you will get this." This is all I knew, 3-year-old me, and I performed. So since then I've been dancing, and this movie also I got through dancing. So I really respect my dance. I'm also a Kathak dancer. Yeah.
We got a new thing.
Yeah. So when I get an opportunity like a old periodic film or something where I can do Kathak, I do so good. I just want an opportunity to do it. So my dancing, of course.
In future, we hope so.
Yes, I also hope, because Mughal Azam, have you watched that film? So Madhubala has done a lot of
tremendous job.
Yes, so all those her one Nakra, one Toda I have done, and I have learnt it. So I have done a lot of hard work in dance.
So who is your dance guru?
So Kamal Guruji had taught me Kathak, but to be very honest, since my 3-year-old me, my stylist, my dancer, my makeup artist, till today also my mom is sitting right there. So it's my mom, because of whom I could I could be here, like who has since childhood, who saw the talent in me. Because when I think I was 1 or 2-year-old, whenever the song used to be playing, I used to do something. So she understood, she's liking the music. So she has made me done dancing, and I think she's my guru for life. Because of her, I'm here right now. Yeah.
So till now, you worked for Thriller and Dangerous. How different is this from? How Dangerous is different from Thriller, and what is the difference between 2 films? Both are same or different?
So my character in Dangerous and in this is completely different. In Dangerous, I have a very different characterization, so I don't want to reveal it. But so I have a very girly, and I'm an aspiring actor. In Dangerous, my body language, the way I talk, the way I behave is completely different from Thriller. Thriller, I'm little tomboyish. But so the characterization is different, the performance graphs are completely different because the storyline is something else. This is like a love story, and so I think it's completely different. You will see a different me here and different me there.
Different me there,
Yes.
different me there.
Yes.
Acha, okay. So apart from that, so what are your future projects?
For now, I think Dangerous, and my manager got like 25-30 calls for different films, like 25-30 films. But we
In
are
Telugu or with the different?
yeah, I think Telugu, Tamil
okay.
ones, and we are thinking. I want a project where I have some good importance, and I will wait for a good project like that. So I'm waiting.
So whatever is coming in your way, you are picking up,
Uh,
or you are very choosy in selecting.
I'm being
roles?
very choosy. I want to have a lot of importance in the script. I don't want, because RGV sir has given me a lot of importance, so I want to carry forward that. And whoever gives me a role where I have importance, I'll do that.
Now we just want to know Apsara's daily routine. How
Daily
your
routine.
day starts.
So I wake up when my mom wakes me up, and she gets me a tea, green tea on my bed.
Okay.
When I wake up, I'll be super lazy. She gets me a tea, and then I'll just sit. I'll be like, Mama, back pain, and she'll give me a little back massage. When Dad is there, Dad gives me a back massage, and so that's how I wake up. Like, I'm very pampered kid, and so I wake up actually late unless someone wakes me up. I don't get up. Yeah.
So one word about your family.
Very supportive.
I thought so.
Very supportive, because without their support I wouldn't have been able to come till here. And my mom, my dad is alone in Bangalore, and we traveled here. It's been couple of months already, and my dad is alone there in corona times, and he's also adjusting, and I'm here with my mom. She's here giving so much time. Not everybody will do that. And so my brother's in London, he's alone, he's coming back to, because dad is alone. So they're very supportive. Everything they're doing according to my requirement. So that's really sweet of them.
So how comfortable are you to work with TFI?
I'm very comfortable, and I think I want to do a lot of films for 10-15 years in Telugu film industry. Because it's very, I think people here have really big heart to welcome me from somewhere else, and I'm getting a lot of attention and a lot of importance here, which I feel is very great. And I want to offer them amazing films and amazing performance, in return. I wish.
So one last round.
Yes.
Okay. It will be. I'll ask few questions and you have to fatafat answer it.
Okay.
Okay. So first one, who is your favorite actor?
Favorite actor in female? Kangana Ranaut.
Actor, hero.
Actor, not actress. Okay. I have a confusion. Rajesh Khanna. My
Hero
crush.
you
also.
already told.
Yes, Kangana.
Okay. Your favorite place?
Bhutnath.
Bhutnath. Where is it?
Bhutnath is in Belgaum,
Okay.
and it is like 20-25 kilometers from my college, and we used to bunk college and go there. It is a hilltop where there's a Shiv Gufa, and inside that Bhutnath is a Shivji ka avatar. So we used to go on that hilltop. We used to go first Bhagwan ko puja karke, and then we used to go out and chill. It's a hilltop, and I get that in my dreams also, and I'm a big time Shiv Bhakt. Not like I don't sit and do puja, but I just worship him in my heart. And
Your favorite color?
I love all colors.
Oh.
Yellow, pink, blue, red.
Whichever suits you.
Yeah, whichever color I see, I will just go crazy. I'm crazy about colors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your best outfit?
So I love wearing gowns.
Okay.
Are my favorite. Gowns with a slit cut, high slit
Oh,
cut,
nice.
and little backless, and like really elegant gowns are my favorite. Yeah.
So do you prefer heels or flats?
I prefer flats, but I wear heels to match my outfit.
Do you prefer watches or bangles?
Bangles, when I'm wearing kurta, no, I wear this much bangles. I love wearing bangles and bindi and all. I love it. It's so beautiful. But watches, when I'm wearing a jeans, yeah, I don't have an option.
Now one more, jhumkas or studs?
Jhumka.
Nice.
Yeah, I love big jhumka. But only when I'm wearing a kurta, you will never see me without a jhumka and bindi. So once I went out and I went like 30 minutes away from my house and I was not wearing a bindi, and then I told the driver, no, takes to some shop, and I bought a bindi.
Are you a gadget lover? Yes or no?
Yes, big time.
Big time.
Yes, big time.
So are you a lover of cars or bikes?
I think I was a bike lover when I was in college. I used to ride these bullets and all that. But now I think I want to buy a car because I don't know driving. When I learn driving, I'll buy a car.
Are you interested in road trips or flights?
Road trips.
Wow. So do you prefer family or friends?
Family.
Industry or your personal time?
Industry.
Dance or acting?
Both.
Food or gym?
Gym.
But I heard you are a foodie.
Yeah, but I don't have a choice.
So what's your favorite food?
Momos, and I love Chinese food and pizza, and I like everything. What are you asking? Don't ask me.
How you want to eat everything?
But I've been dieting, and yesterday I had half of the ice cream, and my trainer was messaging me, "You had ice cream?" I'm like, "Arey yaar."
So we heard that you are a fitness freak.
Yes.
So,
I have good biceps, man.
You are matching RGB.
Yeah, I have good triceps also. I am a fitness lover, yes.
So are you a lover of gym or yoga? Which one you prefer?
So I'm good at both.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm very flexible. I do good yoga, but these days I'm more over working out. I'm doing more heavy weights because to get a perfect body for dangerous songs and everything, I want perfect body. Sir said he wants an hourglass figure, and for that I'm not able to eat anything. Oh my god.
Are you a beach lover or nature lover?
I'm
Greenery.
big time nature lover, but I love beaches.
Okay.
I love beaches because just wear a bikini and have a drink, and I feel like I'm the queen. So that vibe is amazing
Yeah.
on beaches. Yeah.
So this round is done. I just wanted to ask more, but we have time constraint.
I loved it. I loved all your rounds. So much fun.
So one last thing you want to say to our audience?
Yeah, so in Thriller, there's, in everything I have performed, it has glamour, it has performance and the story. So whoever watches it, I think you'll be thrilled by my performance and RGV sir's, direction. And also my co-actor Rock Kachi, he's also done amazing, tremendously amazing. So please watch it and give me your honest reviews. And I'm just learning, I'm a new actor. So do let me know where I can improve. I'll definitely improve next time.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's amazing. I wish you all the best, and I want to interview you again for Dangerous.
Definitely.
So yeah, we can finish this interview for
Yes.
now, and we again will meet you. సో చూసారు కదండి ఈ రోజు అప్సరా ఇంటర్వ్యూ. తిరిగి రేపటి ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కలుసుకుందాం. అంతవరకు దివ్య సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. బాయ్.
Hi, I'm Apsara Rani. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.